Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete setting for Autosnipe AI wallet. Now, in case you don't know about Autosnipe AI, let me first give you a brief introduction to this platform. So, Autosnipe AI is a cutting edge platform that is designed for seamless token trading on the Solana blockchain. It uses advanced AI technology to help you trade faster and more efficiently, offering features like instant token sniping, scam detection, and copy trading, with the tools to analyze token data, manage fees, and even prevent map exploitation. Autosnipe AI is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders who are looking to simplify their crypto experience. So, if you are one of those, you can definitely check out Autosnipe AI, and you can use the link that is given in the description in order to save 10% on the trading fees. Now, if you have been using Autosnipe AI, if you are a current user of Autosnipe AI, you must be wondering what would be the best settings of this platform. So look no further, because this is exactly what I'm going to tell you in this video. So once you are on the Autosnipe AI platform and you successfully connect your wallet with it, the interface will be by default on the top pairs. So over here you can snipe pump.fun pairs and radium pairs and even moonshot pairs. So first you need to select which type of meme coins you want to basically snipe. Now let's say you want to purchase pump.fun based meme pairs. So you just have to simply select this tab, and now it will show you all of the pump.fun pairs. Now the first setting that you need to enable over here is this one that is called hide rugs. You won't be able to get this feature anywhere else. Autosnipe AI provides you the hide rugs option, with the help of which you can avoid trading all those coins that are at risk of being rugged. So next option that you need to enable is instant buy. So if you want to just purchase the meme coin with one click, you can enable this feature as well. Now click on the filters option, and here you will have all of the filters that you can use. So if you have been using Bullx previously, so you already know what type of information you need to put over here. But if you don't know about it, then let me show you. In the filters, you just have to simply enable all of these features first. In the second thing, you just have to simply provide the current liquidity. So it actually based on your own trading experience. So you just have to simply provide the amount of liquidity in this section. Next, you can even filter it out with the volume and with the help of the market cap. Afterwards, you just have to simply click on the apply transactions, and now it will show you all of the coins based on the filters that you have selected. Now for the purchasing part, if you click on the token that you want to purchase, it will show you the chart of that particular coin. But what sets Autosnipe AI apart from any other trading platform is that it will give you the AI optimization feature. So if you have been using Bullx or Trojan bot, in those bots you will have to just pay a lot of fees. But on Autosnipe AI, the AI will help you to optimize your trading fees. They have this priority fees option that is called AI optimized. So you don't need to actually change anything over here. You just have to keep it as it is. Here you can just enable or disable the smart Mave protection. If you don't know what it is, then I won't recommend you do not touch anything over here. But if you are an experienced trader, if you know about these settings, you can definitely go ahead and enable this and make changes into these settings. But if you are a beginner, or if you are in the intermediate level, I would recommend you to not change anything over here and let AI do the work for you. Now you just have to simply enter the amount in this section, and you can place the order of your purchasing. And these are some of the settings that in my opinion you should enable before sniping any of the meme coins at Autosnipe AI. In case you have any other settings in your mind, you can do let me know that in the comment section, and I will incorporate that in my upcoming videos. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.